Have you ever noticed something strange about credit cards? When you pay with cash, spending money feels painful. But when you swipe a credit card, it suddenly feels easy. You walk into a store planning to buy something small, maybe just a shirt for $40. But at the checkout counter, you swipe your credit card and suddenly the price doesn't feel that expensive anymore. So you add another item, and maybe one more. Before you realize it, your bill is $160.
And the strange part is, it didn't feel painful at all. This is exactly how the credit card trap begins. Credit cards are designed to make spending feel effortless. With just one swipe, you can buy almost anything instantly. But here's the truth most people forget. Credit cards are not free money. They are borrowed money. Every time you swipe your card, you are actually taking a small loan from the bank. But because the payment doesn't happen immediately, your brain doesn't feel the cost.
You enjoy the purchase today, and the bill arrives weeks later. This delay creates a dangerous illusion. Your brain separates the pleasure of buying from the pain of paying. And when those two things are separated, spending becomes much easier. That's why studies show people spend more when using credit cards instead of cash. But the real problem starts when people don't pay the full balance. Most credit cards charge interest rates of around 20% or more. So if you spend $1,000 and don't pay it back quickly, the interest starts growing. Slowly, that $1,000 becomes $1,100, then $1,200. And even more. Now imagine this happening across many purchases: online shopping, food delivery, subscriptions, travel. Individually, they feel small, but together they create a huge credit card bill. And suddenly the convenience of credit cards turns into a financial burden. But here's the important thing. Credit cards themselves are not the problem. The real problem is how easily they change our behavior. They remove the friction from spending and make money feel invisible. So how do you avoid the credit card trap? First, treat your credit card like a debit card. Only spend money that you already have. Second, always try to pay your full balance every month. This way, you avoid interest completely. And third, keep track of your spending regularly, because when you see where your money is going, you regain control. At the end of the day, credit cards are just tools.
Calm, clear, and careful hand can be helpful, but used carelessly, they can slowly push you into debt. And remember, most financial problems don't happen overnight. They happen one small swipe at a time.